All right, this is a lovely picture of Leonardo. He is the subject for the story Leonardo's Horse. And these are the spelling words for that story. They are compound words. Make sure you have two full words that could stand by themselves put together. To make these words, we have number one is waterproof. I bought boots that were waterproof for the snow. Waterproof. Number two, teaspoon. The recipe calls for just a teaspoon. Number three, grasshopper. I saw a grasshopper in the field. Grasshopper. Number four, homesick. After I'd been gone for a whole week, I was feeling very homesick. Homesick. Number five, barefoot. It bothers me to walk around barefoot. Barefoot. Number six, courthouse. I had to go to the courthouse to get my driver's license. Courthouse. Next one, earthquake. I'm glad we don't live in California because I don't know what I would do in an earthquake. Earthquake. Number eight, rowboat. I got in my rowboat and rowed across the river. Rowboat. Number nine, scrapbook. I made sure to make a scrapbook of my vacation. Scrapbook. Number 10, countryside. I looked out at the countryside and saw all the flowers. Countryside. Number 11, lightweight. I picked up that box full of pillows. It was really lightweight. Lightweight. Number 12, fish hook. I had to put the worm on the fish hook to fish.
Who are you talking to?
Number 13, spotlight. The actor was standing on the stage in a spotlight. Spotlight. Number 14, blindfold. The magician put on a blindfold before he did the trick. Blindfold. Number 15, whirlpool. I hope to one day have a whirlpool tub. Whirlpool. Number 16, tablespoon. Oops, I mistaked a tablespoon in the recipe. Tablespoon. Number 17, greenhouse. I made sure to put the plants in the greenhouse so they would grow. Greenhouse. Number 18, postcard. I wrote a postcard for my vacation. Postcard. Number 19, hummingbird. I made sure I had binoculars when the hummingbird came around outside my window. Hummingbird. Number 20, thumbtack. I used a thumbtack to hang the poster on the bulletin board. Thumbtack. And your bonus word. I gotta think of a good one. I think it's going to be revolution. We are talking about the American Revolution in social studies. Turn your test into the basket when you're done. Make sure your name's at the top.